Are you looking for the best snorkeling spot in all of Phuket? Then stay to watch today's video. Hi guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine with
Jay, hello!
And we're at the map!
The map!
But guess what?
What's that, Sean?
Today's secret snorkeling spot's not even on the map!
Then why are we at the map?
I just wanted to annoy you.
It's easier to set up out there.
Yeah, that's why I did it.
Because of the shade here.
Yeah.
Messes up the camera.
Yeah.
Great.
So today we're going to actually be talking about, and a lot of people watching this video are probably sitting there going Similan or PP, and I'm like, beautiful spots. Very beautiful spots.
Koh Kradan, we talked about that one. That's a good spot too.
But here it is, in my opinion, the best snorkeling spot in all of the Phuket area, Koh Ha and Koh Rock.
In the whole of Phuket area, so around here, yeah?
No, we have to go a little bit further out.
Okay, so around here?
A little bit further out.
So around here?
Yeah, that's more like it.
Okay.
Now, look, it's one of the best snorkeling areas because it's quite far from Phuket, which means not a lot of day tours go there. So
you better put a map up that shows down here.
So if you talk about like popular day tours, most popular day tours are within 1 hour of Phuket. That's PP, James Bond, Hong Karabi. Then you go stepping a little bit further out and you got things like Similan and Thailand Islands. They're about 2 hours from Phuket.
2.5.
Now, instead of going out the west coast though, we are going to go 2 hours straight up past PP down to Koh Ha and Koh Rock.
Wow.
Lesser known islands, which means for you, less people that you're snorkeling with, but what it means for the marine life, less propellers in the water.
Is that your propeller?
Yeah. Less propellers in the water, which means that there's a bigger variety of marine life.
It's a really good point, but that's not a propeller. That's more like a steamship. Propellers do that.
Like that?
Oh, you got two propellers?
Yeah. We've got a left rotation and a right rotation engine.
Okay, that's good.
In Phuket, that doesn't happen often. Mainly they're rights.
Rights, but now we've got a left and the right.
Yeah, it's confusing.
It's always good to go both
So
ways.
I want to talk to you about Koh Ha and Koh Rock today.
Yes.
The first time I ever went to Koh Ha, Koh Rock was 11 years ago.
Wow.
And when I walked on the beach of Koh Rock, and Koh Rock's got this kind of soft sand like you don't feel on any other islands, I remember thinking, this is the paradise that everyone talks about when you come to Phuket. Because what I found when I was snorkeling, the Koh Rock coral has full color. So a lot of problems that you have
not black and white.
A lot of what problem you have in PP is that a lot of the coral starts to bleach. Okay, but in Koh Rock it's full color. You've got the whole spectrum of the kinds of coral that you got, and the formations are just amazing. Like I remember the first time I snorkeled at Koh Rock, I was in the water for about 3 hours just watching all the coral.
Did you go wrinkly?
I probably did. And then when you come back to Koh Ha, because Koh Ha's on the way to Koh Rock, Koh Ha is 5 islands, Ha meaning 5, okay? And Koh Ha has 5 islands, and there's a bunch of kind of hidden underwater caves where all the fish like to pool, and it's so amazing to be able to snorkel down and see the fish pool in there.
2 years?
Yes.
2 years I've been working with 5-Star Marine.
Yes.
I've never been to Koh Ha or Koh Rock.
No, we send you only to the locations that are extremely popular because people want to see those videos. This is a video that very few people are going to watch, but the special few who do are going to have an amazing experience if they go on this tour.
Video. If you're watching this, you're lucky. If you're not watching this, then yeah.
A few things to note about Koh Ha and Koh Rock, and we're going to do the whole video of the walkthrough in a minute. Just to note, there's no restaurants out there. There's only one national park building out there, meaning only one toilet as well. So this is a bit more of a kind of rough and ready tour. You got to be willing to go a little bit far. You got to be willing to carry a picnic, and you got to use the onboard toilet. So.
Just when we say carry a picnic, don't worry, we'll put it on the boat. You don't have to have it on the backpack.
No,
it's not like a scout
and we can
ship.
even organise it for them.
Yeah.
So let's start with how this entire tour starts. It starts with you coming to the office here at 5-Star Marine, where you'll meet.
Hello, I'm Jay. Welcome to 5-Star Marine office. This is the map. Please make sure you help yourselves to some donuts and some terrible, terrible coffee, but people still have it.
I keep telling them.
The other day I was saying there was orders for about 8 coffees.
They walk in and I say, this coffee is horrible. And they're like, oh, we'll try it. I'm like, oh,
anyway,
whatever.
So thank you for coming. Today we're going to go to Koh Ha and Koh Rock. Please come to the map and I will tell you where we're going. I don't know where we're going because I've never been there.
So once you've met your guide who's introduced you here, they're going to get you to clear some paperwork. Then they're going to bring you to the map. And in this case, the map is absolutely useless because it's not even on the map. But it is down here. Kyle, Jay, did you frame this so I could point down here or not?
I don't know. Do you want me to?
It's okay.
Wait there.
No,
I'll
all
check.
good.
No, I can check, Sean, because this is a skill I've got. Yes, I can see your finger, Sean.
That's
perfect.
Good. So what it is
professional.
The best way to talk about it is as I'm heading towards PP.
Yes.
I go right of PP Lay.
Hold on. Right, yeah.
Yeah, right of PP Lay and take an angle straight on. Then you're going to hit Kohar. Kohar is about 30 minutes past PP Lay. Okay, and then on from Kohar to Koh Rock is about another 30 minutes to Koh Rock. So here's the timings for you. You leave the pier, and you should leave early, just like the Simlan tour. We want to get out on the water not late than 7:30 a.m.
What? I'm on holiday.
Right, and then you've got from the pier to Kohar, and Kyle's going to animate all this for you.
Animate.
You've got an hour and 30 minutes to get there. Then at Kohar, we normally stop and we snorkel. And at Kohar, you can't take the boat up to the beach. There's a little line, but you can swim into the beach. It's very beautiful, very few people, some of the clearest water you've ever seen. We'll snorkel at Kohar. Normally, most of our guests, they like to snorkel for at least an hour and a half at Kohar because there's multiple different snorkeling spots around that area.
So do you move around or do you just...
Generally, we'll move around, yeah, because there's multiple places we can tie the boat up. Then from Kohar, once you've done your snorkeling, we then move on to Koh Rock. Koh Rock is 30 minutes from Kohar. Koh Rock is actually 2 islands, Koh Rock Yay and Koh Rock Noi, which means?
Big and small.
Correct. And if you're very lucky and if you go in November, you'll see a waterfall coming off Koh Rock into the...
Have your hand motion today. Waterfall.
Yeah, into the water. And Kyle will have a video. This is
Why only in November? Do they switch it off or something?
No, because it's at the end of the wet season.
Oh, so you've got the build-up of water. So
correct.
Okay, fair
and
enough.
it's amazing to see. Like, we were very, very lucky to see it last year, and we posted it to Instagram, and it's one of our most watched Instagram videos.
More
what do you call it?
Real.
Real. That's it, right?
Well, once again, so I say more watched than a snorkel with an L?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, more watched than any of our videos.
Wow, well, that's, yeah, some of them are hard.
So anyway, Koh Rock and Koh Noi, they're a little bit like this, Jay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not sure what you're doing.
And so the boat comes through the middle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And there's snorkeling here and here and here and many places at Koh Rock and Koh Noi to snorkel. Normally we do a picnic lunch on Koh Rock Noi itself because that's the quieter.
For you, no problem. If you've got dietary requirements, please let us know.
So it's lunch and snorkel time. Maybe see the waterfall if you can. You can explore both islands. After that, then we're going to come all the way back to Phuket, and that's when we can start to use the map. We're going to go past PP Lay and
hello, PP Lay.
Normally back to Koh Rang, where we can do a little bit of relaxation and beach time, and then back into the pier.
Nice.
Strongest recommendation, if you're looking to go to Simlan, consider Koh Rock and Kohar, especially if you're wanting to go to Simlan for the snorkeling. Like, Simlan is very well known for its snorkeling, and it is very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
But Koh Rock and Kohar don't have the crowds.
That's nice.
Because Simlan can get very busy.
It was busy when I was there.
So that's why we're doing this video, because actually, if you watch a lot of the videos where I'm asked what are my kind of favorite tours to do, a lot of the time I'll say something like Hong Karabi or Koh Rock and Kohar.
He does.
And I would think if you do want to go snorkeling, you want crystal clear water, and don't care so much about a 2-hour travel time, then this is the video and the tour for you.
Perfect.
So Jay, you should go on it.
Okay, can I go now?
No,
okay.
It's too early. We said 7:30, it's 11.
Oh, fair enough. Lost it.
All right, so that's it. Over to Jay for the end of the video.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and click the, click that little bell button. I don't know what it actually does.
How many cuts did we do for this video? Like 1,000.
Well, it's just your intro that you messed up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Keep waving. Bye.